here is RENZ app. It's a new interesting social media app. And yeah, I was just exploring which interesting apps are out there. And this is a new trending app. Make new friends. As you can see, it's climbing quite high in the top charts. So here you can meet, talk, vibe, and snap people. So if you just open up this app, you see this is how it looks like. You can enable push notifications, and then you can just find new friends. And then it's kind of like Tinder. Then you can just swipe around, or then you can just add friends like that. Or if you wanna, you can send a super chat. If you want, you can upgrade to RENZ Plus and send 5 super chats weekly. And then if you do that, you will just stay on the top of the feed. So yeah, something like that. So you see different profiles. You can report or block them. You can see filter preferences, who you want to see, age, with gender, location, country, global, and then just tap done. And then that's basically the idea. If you want to rewind, you need to upgrade to RENZ Plus. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Then you have shop where you can get some RENZ coins. You can get some daily rewards, so you can just claim some rewards just by logging in. Then there are coins, you can get those. And yeah, so this app is kind of wants to be similar to Wiz app, which is in the top charts right now as well. So there are, I don't know why these kind of apps are, really going so high in the charts, but probably a lot of people just looking for alternatives to standard messaging app, to WhatsApp, and also to Tinder, and then just have some app where you can just meet some friends randomly, not always dating, just just friendly chats. And then you just have your profile. You can verify your profile. You just need to, and then yeah, do this like photo with your account. So yeah, then you just have your profile. Then you just have settings. If you want, you can delete your account. Then there is RENZ Plus. This is a subscription where you can have unlimited add-in friends, unlimited rewinds, 5 free super chats weekly, and local expired requests, showcase 10 profile pics, 1 free profile boost weekly. And yet you can just get RENZ Plus, and that's basically how you add with how you work with subscription. You can add your interests, you can add some social accounts, you can add Discord, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok here. And yeah, that's basically the idea. Hope that is helpful, and yeah, thanks for watching.